So we built an entire factory in Nevada for one reason, and that's so that you could actually get the metal and wood components that you need to make your own furniture. Because we think as soon as you make your own furniture just one time, you're gonna catch the bug and you're gonna realize that it means more when you make it, and then you're gonna start looking around your house and you're gonna say, I think I could make that, or I think I should make that. How do I do that? And our job is to help make that easy for you to do.
At Semi-Exact, we exist so that you can say, I made it. And we're doing that with all sorts of different types of furniture. We've also learned that there are so many different types of makers. Myself, for example, I'm not really that great at woodworking. So I'm really excited that with this new box frame bed kit, we're offering nearly finished wood that'll go to all of our customers. Semi-Exact's box frame bed is designed to fit and adapt with our lives. Made of 100% recycled American milled steel and quality FSC certified solid Baltic birch. The bed is easy to make and can adjust in size by simply changing out the wood over time. Over the past year, we've shipped thousands of our first bed kit all around the world. We've taken that feedback and improved the legs and added a strong center spine for restful sleep. And with the success of this crowdfunding campaign, we'll be standing up our own wood shop to make and fulfill each of these beds for you.
This area here behind me is actually where the wood shop is gonna go. The CNC router, the sanding, and the finishing capabilities are gonna take up this part of our facility. So product will be made that's metal on the east end of the facility, wood will be on the west side of the facility. Product will come together and ship out of this door to your house.
We're offering multiple backer levels, ranging from fully finished, ready-to-make bed frames to bed frames with raw edges for makers that want to finish the wood themselves. And in the spirit of Semi-Exact, we're offering the improved legs and the new center spine for those that want to make their own bed with the wood of their choosing.
Hey, thanks for checking out our Kickstarter. We hope you're inspired to actually make your own bed.
Please take this campaign and share it with friends, family, loved ones,
Coworkers,
enemies,
anyone.
birds.
Check us out at Semi-Exact.
Thanks.